Welcome to Q&A Wire.
In this question we have given a particle that is moving along a straight line parallel to the x-axis with constant velocity. Now we have to tell its angular momentum about the origin. So let the particle of mass m is moving with speed v parallel to x-axis. Then at any time t, coordinates of this point is will be, that is x is equals to vt, y is equals to b, and z is equals to 0. We can show it by diagram also. So this is our y-axis, this is our x-axis, and our particle is at this point and it is moving in this direction, that is x direction, with an velocity that is v, and the position of this particle is p, and this is our origin. Let this distance of the particle from the origin is r. So we can say that this is equals to v into t, and this distance is equals to b. This is the particle of mass m. Now velocity component is in x direction is equals to, that is v, and velocity components in y direction is 0, and in z direction also 0. Now we can say that angular momentum is given by, that is L vector is equals to, this is r cross p. Now we can say that this is equals to I cap, j cap, k cap, and the position, that is v in x direction this is vt, b in z direction it is 0, and the velocity is, this is v, this is 0, and this is also 0. Now I'm going to calculate the value of this determinant, and we will get, this is k cap, here mass is also there, so this is k cap into m into, this is vt into 0 minus vb. Finally we will get, this is minus of mvb into k cap. So this is the value of the angular momentum. Angular momentum has so we can say that angular momentum has magnitude mvb, and it is directed along negative z axis, and it is constant because all the parameter in this is constant. So we can say that correct option is option C. Thank you.